Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into rebuild. 4 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Renovate. Which means restore something old, especially a building, to a good state of repair. Renovate. For example, the hotel has been completely renovated. Number 2. Restore. Which means repair or renovate a building, work of art, etc. so as to return it to its original condition. Restore. For example, the building has been carefully restored. Number 3. Reconstruct. Which means reorganize something. Reconstruct. For example, later emperors reconstructed the army. Number 4. Revamp. Which means give new and improved form, structure, or appearance to. Revamp. For example, they plan to revamp the kitchen. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Hitting the subscription button is the best way to stay connected. See you in the next video.